All right, so in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to access your 1099 form for YouTube. So if you've earned any income by letting YouTube run ads on your videos, then this is gonna be beneficial for you, all right? So first thing you wanna do is you wanna go ahead and go into your actual Google AdSense account. Now, when you get inside the AdSense account, this is what you're gonna see right here. You see how mine says AdSense for YouTube, and then all of these. You see where I got this arrow? You wanna go ahead and click right here where it says payments first and then payments info. Now, step number 2. Scroll down once that page opens up, and then you want to find this right here where it says settings. Now, right here is also going to say AdSense for YouTube, and then it's going to have the ID for your account. I just have mine blocked out, for security purposes. Now, under that, it's going to have the name that you have in there for the account, and then if you have like a business, then it'll have your business name there if you went ahead and you set that up from the get-go. Now, right here, it says manage settings. So you want to go ahead and click on manage settings. Once you click on that, then it's going to show you a lot of other information, but what you're looking for is something that says payments profile, and then right under that you're going to see United States tax info. So what you want to do is you want to click on that pencil right there, and then once you click on that pencil, the next thing it's going to show you is this. Now, the verified is there because I set my stuff up ahead of time. If you have that right, then you're going to see this green check with the verify, and then all you want to do is hit manage tax info. Now, the next step is once you click that, it's going to bring you to another page, and you're going to see something at the top that say approved or whatever, but at the bottom you're gonna see this right here. So you see how it says tax year 2022, date issued January 20th 2023. So today I'm recording this video on the 25th, so I got it about 5 days. So this is roughly around the time that they typically push it out every single year. And then right here you see how you got that blue link. All you want to do is just go ahead and click on that blue link and it'll download instantly. Hopefully you got some value from this video, and if you did, definitely go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, if you got any questions, go ahead and drop them down below. I'll be sure to reach back out to you. Look forward to seeing you in the next video. Peace.